Hi all. So today's video we are moving into the ADF application question. Okay, that is we are starting from the simple ADF question and then we are moving into the higher level. So that is our plan. So yeah, I will show you what is today's requirement. You are getting a requirement from client. They want to move their TXT file from one storage account to the same folder in the same storage account. Okay, just want to move. There is no transformation. Just want to move from one folder to another folder. So definitely in this case, this is not kind of real life application because real life application, the client asking some transformation. For example, they are giving the CSV file, they convert into the package. But here just for an introduction and you want to more familiar about the ADF, we are just starting to data movement from one storage account to the same storage account, same storage account, but different folder. Okay, folder. Okay, this is my requirement. So first, what we can do, we can create one storage account. The step will be one, create storage account first, then create the folder. Second, create ADF 3, linked service. I will linked service for dataset. Here dataset is .txt file. Then copy activity. Okay. Then pipeline. So this is our requirement. So first what we can do, I will show my account. This is my account. First what I did, I'm going into the storage account. Checking storage, Azure storage account. Then already one file I created and one more. I creating one more thing. So I'm using free trial and resource group is dev environment. Storage account name uh, txt text file upload. Text file conversion. Okay, already taken. So this con text file conversion 007. So this is my short name. So this must be unique. So that's why reason we are getting the error in the first time. Then standard, uh, but premium for more latency. We need to handle with the more frequent data. And we can go into the premium. But now don't need. So don't need to do anything here. So it will take some time. So create. So this we want to do create. So that means our storage account created. So this is the file name test file conversion. Just shorten this one. Okay. Then it will take some time for the deployment in progress. It will take some time. We can wait. You can see here, right? This one status accepted. But when we creating the new file, it will take some time. So go to resources. You can get the test file. This one. And then next will be container. So where we need to create one folder container manual file. I create one container. That means a storage account container manual file. Then inside that one, I need to okay inside this one we can create or upload our file. Okay, upload, select the file. I will select the file, name docs. And advanced layer, we can create one more because in our storage account, we want two files, input and output file. So, or in file. So the upload to file in. So just I mentioned in. So this is my uploading file, then upload. Then the upload, the folder is created and the file also here. You can see here. If you want, I can see the data. I will show the data also. View or edit. So this name and profession, Devi Krishna, data engineer, Vimal business, Kirtana doctor. So just want to create some kind of this one. Then we can move. So first we created it. Then we need to create one more folder. Okay. We need to create one more folder if you want. Otherwise, we can do this later. So just out and the out this folder, we can create one more folder out. In the out, we can upload the or we can take the copy of data from in to this out. So that I will show you. Then back to home, then Azure Data Factory. We need to create one more Azure Data Factory. So create group, resource group, dev environment, name, ADF, manual, conversion. Just want to give this one. No, don't want to configure it. Networking. Git configure later. Okay. So create. We are creating. So this is our deployment is in progress for our ADF. Okay, go to resources. So this is our manual. This is our ADF manual conversion. So launch the studio. Launch the studio. You will get the home, author, monitor, manage and the learning center. So here you can click on this one. Then first we need to create a pipeline. So new pipeline. Then here move and run because our aim is to, you can see here, our aim is to copy from the same in storage account to the out folder. So copy data here. We can name this pipeline PL. So this is the standard PL day, PL underscore. What happened? Copy text file, right? Text files. You can PL is the standard name because it represents to the pipeline. You can see here, right? This, this is the name I will given PL copy. So, so we created it. Then before that, we need to create data set. So what data we uploaded? Text file. So we need to create new data set. So where the blob storage account continue. Okay. And binary. The text file is represented to the binary and the name. So what name? DS dataset is representing to the name. So in text file. TXT text file. So select the linked service. There is no linked service. Definitely we want to connect. Linked service means connection where we can create. So there is new Azure storage account. So we can give it the linked service ls copy text files. Okay, this is the linked service for this one. Connected to the integration and auto resolved integration runtime. Okay. Then subscription, ID, free trial, storage account, this one. So once we completed, you can do, there is no additional connection required, not need test connection to link to service. Test connection we can create. We can find the test connection is available or not. So you can use the test connection. It is successful, then no worries. Then we can the link to service get the connection to that particular storage account. Then the path also we need to find out the manual. Inside the manual file, we can create the in folder inside the name doc.txt. So that we created. Then okay. So the first dataset completed. Then the next dataset we need to out dataset, right? Means the taking the in data from .txt and save into the out. So that is the reason we are creating one more blob storage. The same blob storage, continue, same binary. We can create lot of format, Avro, delimited text, Excel, JSON, example, okay, Parquet, etc. So just give this one, continue. Then DS, out, text file. Okay. Then link the service is this one, copy data. Okay. Okay. We can create one more thing. Mm, Browse only. Okay. Manual file. Inside this one, we can create one more folder. Out. Out. File name. Out.txt. So this is my file name. So I created this one. So I created a linked service, data set, everything I created. Then come back to here, copy data. Then we can see that the copy data, we can cd vd underscore manual files. Okay, manual file conversion. So that is our requirement, right? So then move on this one. Source means the data set. This is an in text file. Then the path data set prefix, everything we can find here. And the sing means outer. That will be the ds underscore out text. Okay. So we give the connection. Before we publish all, okay, before we publish, we just run to debug it. Then only if it is success or not, we can need to find out, right? There is one more button you can see, refresh. So if you click on this, it will refresh and suddenly we get the result. So when you click on this, you can see refresh, because when you click on this one here, transferring data from our manual folder into the out folder. So it is success. Then you can see here output, the binary source true, binary reading, everything here we can get, and the data written, everything we can write from here. And this icon, this specs icon, when you click, you can get the data read 18 bytes and data write in 18 bytes. That means successfully transfer the data from here to here, and the blob storage is to yours, is to yours. Okay, then how we can find? So we can go back to the home. You can see home. So I'm going to this one. This is my storage account. Then the container. There is a manual file folder in. So the out is the folder. So we get this one. So I just want to see this. Is it coming or not? Just want to out.txt. So data is coming. So that means successfully transfer our data from one storage account to the same storage account but different folder. Okay. And you can see one more thing I will show you. There is two in. There is also name doc.txt. But here you can see the out.txt. So this is the one thing. And the first thing we completed successfully. And second thing, just want to a quick update. We can do new data set. New data set we want to convert into Parquet. So that also we can just check. Link the service. Just we can use this one. Okay. Then out p dot Parquet. Mm, Okay. So I think manual file out. Okay. Here I'm getting path out. Okay. Here because we designed this for that Parquet conversion, we need one more linked list and all that I will show you. Okay. So I think hope you'll get idea. So next